Contractor siwa chetri pen kekim pon alang ahemtap kekim petang det pen chikloi John pleng pleako alang ahemtap rurai ke Prabha Chandra taro aphanta kelang plot ang theklo. West Karbi Anglong Hamren District ahempi aphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kechari CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang akimang anparta Industries and Commerce asai kam kelang pon Prabha Chandra taro pen Hamren Rongsopia long General Manager District Industries and Commerce asaihem kimrang petang ponsi kedamtang arkoi ni phaing ko resirkep ani in pupon bonta contractor siwa chetri aphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kichariatum langding poma lapen General Manager District Industries and Commerce Department kelangchari Prabha Chandra taro sitami langding poma puta arjumimi lapen kherangkiatum kahumri damahut General Manager District Industries and Commerce along Junior Assistant Monsing Rong Pipen nangge pachini donke to mon ke the penle lang ahemtap ke klokali bonta kam ke klem ke sai oyang theke labang so sa hem dikim kangpo jamek deng det pen pini thereponi phai ho ani ada por phainer kep malom ahir dojot langang kro jingthu dak ajok here mimi anpin loputa contractual employee ahin pen than pachini pom
nili ke matha tenge kini bang ke la tengki ka bonai bang an kir klunga yat kali der ni ko pine sita la so pathai ni pine la si ne awet bang amne lutu ne daja bang la ka bonai bang handi masi blast la son thai bon masi la pu building ata la tinga mukata wak der lo la pen hapo quarter na juta na son la hala non ke do bang madon la siam phelo tum hapu do hala ta room anta li an haputa sisa glass anta hang
the room I think it was around 8 but I'm not so sure
8 p.m.
8 a.m. in the morning yeah just a few hours ago
a few hours
yeah I heard some loud noise and when I came out to see then it was this water tank that has fallen down it crumbled the pillars
Hamren pen Daniel hi Karbi Anglong live